Best Shopify Upsell app. Now, one of the best ways to increase your average order value is using one-click upsell apps in Shopify. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best upsell app for Shopify right now, as well as all of the crucial features that you will have to know to get started, increasing your sales by up to 30%. Now, to get started, if you didn't already know, upsells simply are additional offers that can occur in many different ways. Like, for example, right here in the shopping cart, but they can actually also occur in, for example, at the thank you page, and they will basically just work as kind of a promotion for other products, so that basically just the customer is going to buy more products, which will also result in the average order value going up. Now, the big upside to upsell apps are that the customer basically won't have to go through the hassle of putting in all of their information once again. They won't have to put in stuff like shipping address, email address, or simply just credit card information. They will just have to press one button to buy the product. Now, there are many different upsell apps, but the one that I'm using is called Aftersell, and it's, in my opinion, actually by far the best one. As you can see, the usual upsell experience is that the sales are getting boosted by 30%. And if you don't believe my word, let's just look at the case studies real quick. As you can see, even big companies like Feastables from MrBeast actually use Aftersell. And as you can see, they sold 80,000 more MrBeast bars just by using this single app. Other big companies like True Classic, Colors & Co, Gizio, and so on actually also as well use Aftersell. And as you can see, they have actually astonishing results. 21 conversion rate, $150,000 more generated just by using this app. So that's actually the reason why I'm using Aftersell. I just think it's the best app out there. Now, when it comes to the pricing, you will be charged on how many orders you will have per month. But no worries, you can actually try Aftersell for completely free just by using the link down below. But basically, you are going to be charged on how many orders you're going to take, and also you will get a 30-day free trial. And one thing which is really nice is the positive ROI guarantee. So basically, positive return on investment guarantee, which basically just means that if you're going to start using Aftersell in your store, but you won't make more than $30, for example, then you will actually get a full refund. So you basically can't lose any money. It's a win-win situation either way. Now, when it comes to the features, let's get started with the one-click upsells. So basically, you can get started building custom landing pages for your product that the customer is going to be redirected to after buying. So as you can see, you can first of all build up single product upsells, and you can also use things like timers, social proof with reviews, discounts, and so on to actually improve the conversion rate. You will also get multi-product upsells, and in general it is really easy to use the dashboard. You can do precise targeting, and you can also see actionable insights. So basically you will get all of the statistics that you will need to know to get started optimizing your landing pages with Aftersell. Now, the second features which I actually really like, and often a lot of people don't even cover, is the increased checkout conversions. Now, as you can see, you can actually place an upsell at checkout, which can actually work it can work as kind of a shipping protection upsell, or you can, for example, say something like, don't forget to add a belt to your order. But one thing which I really like is the sales motivation bar. Now, this sales motivation bar right here really helps with improving your average order value. So you can basically entice the customer to add more products to their cart by promoting stuff like free shipping or custom discounts once they're surpassed a set amount of money spent, right? So that's one thing which I really like. You can also build up a custom checkout page, which also really which can come in handy. For example, you can add some additional information, as you can see right here. You can also add reviews or also an FAQ to your landing page if you want to. Now, with the thank you page, you can also just customize this, and you can also add more offers to your landing page. As you can see right here, once they've bought the product, they're going to be redirected to this page right here, and they can then buy some more products with a special discount in place, and also with a timer to add some scarcity. And they will also get, and you can actually also provide a store-wide pop-up discount. So basically you can say, okay, for the next 20 minutes, everything is off 20%. And this can actually help quite a lot with the average order value. You can also decrease support queries by adding these kind of FAQs, which I've mentioned beforehand, and you can also add some reviews right here. You can also add the personalized thank you video, which I personally don't really do, as I think it's kind of unnecessary, but still you have that option with Aftersell. And generally, Aftersell has a lot more useful features. Like, for example, you can actually run A/B tests to see which kind of products are converting better. So for example, right here, you can do an A/B test for the jeans as well as for the socks to basically analyze which one is the better option for your Aftersell. Now you can also do precise targeting, which we've mentioned beforehand, and you will also get pre-made templates, which is also pretty useful, so you don't have to build up all of your landing pages from scratch. Of course, if you want to, you will have that option, but you will get a lot of templates which you can just use out of the box. You will also get personalized offers for your customers. So as you can see, you can basically just do some personalization by putting the name right here and so on. The drag and drop builder is also pretty good, and in my opinion one of the best out there. You can just drag everything the way you want to, and on top all of the features which we've just covered, you will actually also get access to an app called UpCart. Now UpCart is basically also owned by the same company that runs Aftersell, and on Aftersell you will actually get UpCart for completely free. And UpCart basically has a lot more features, but for the shopping cart single-handedly. So as you can see, your cart reimagined. Now basically you will get tons of sleek designs for your shopping cart, which can obviously also help with shopping cart conversion rates, and you will also get add-ons and in-cart upsells. So as you can see, you will get upsells, you can add to cart, you can also you can basically say that, okay, you're going to get a special discount if you're going to buy this right now. You can also do an upsell for shipping protection, which always can come in handy. It's just a little bit more money essentially. And you will also get powerful AI recommendations, which is a feature which they've recently introduced, and in my opinion actually is really helpful. And as you can see, Aftersell can actually give custom recommendations depending on what kind of products the customer has put in their shopping cart. You will also get the rewards motivator, which we've covered beforehand on the Shopify Upsell bar right here, which is a feature which once again I really like. You will also get express pay buttons, which is one thing which I've implemented into my own store, which actually helped a lot with conversion rates. So as you can see, instead of going through the whole checkout system, they can just press one button right here to either pay with ShopPay, PayPal or Google Pay. So they won't have to, it basically doesn't take that long, and it is just way quicker. Now basically, if you need an upsell app, I think Aftersell is by far the best option. You will get a 30-day free trial by using the link down below, and even if upsell doesn't work for you, you will always get the positive ROI guarantee, which can then give you a free refund if you don't make money with Aftersell. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.